5. Lavender, relaxation and repair. Benefits: stress relief, antibacterial action. Uses: essential oils, acne treatments, hair care. Lavender oil is a skincare favorite for its calming aroma and ability to fight bacteria, making it ideal for acne-prone skin and scalp care. 6. Argan oil, the gold standard of nourishment. Benefits: deep repair, hydration. Uses: hair masks, body creams, stretch mark treatments. Extracted from the Moroccan argan tree, this nutrient-dense oil is loaded with fatty acids, perfect for repairing and nourishing both skin and hair. 7. Shea butter, nature's skin barrier. Benefits: intense moisturization, protection. Uses: lip balms, body butters, hand creams. Shea butter is a go-to for locking in moisture and shielding the skin from environmental stress, especially during winter months. 8. Rosemary, the hair and skin revitalizer. Benefits: boosts circulation, prevents hair loss. Uses: shampoos, hair tonics, body lotions. Rosemary oil is known to stimulate the scalp, promoting stronger hair growth and improving overall scalp health. 9. Coconut, a moisturizing powerhouse. Benefits: hydration, softening. Uses: hair masks, body oils, lip balms. Coconut oil is a versatile, deeply moisturizing ingredient, perfect for restoring softness to dry skin and hair. 10. Witch hazel, nature's astringent. Benefits: oil control, pore minimization. Uses: toners, acne treatments, oily skin products. Witch hazel is a must-have for oily or acne-prone skin, balancing excess oil while tightening pores for a refined look. 11. Avocado, a vitamin E-rich wonder. Benefits: nourishment, deep hydration. Uses: eye creams, hair masks, hand treatments. Packed with vitamin E and healthy fats, avocado oil delivers intense moisture and nourishment, leaving the skin soft and supple. These natural ingredients not only improve skin and hair health but also represent a sustainable, eco-friendly shift in the beauty world. Incorporating them into your routine connects you to nature's healing magic, while embracing modern skincare science.